Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I am Melissa and I have a Kong box to open for you. My puppers is ready for it. He was so excited when it came in the mail. He was ready to open it. So let's start this. I'm so excited. So it first opens up like this. It says woof woof. It says happiness delivered. You ready to see what's in here, huh? And then, cool. When you open it up, this is what it looks like. And there is actually a mask right on top. And guys, I've spent all day wearing a mask. I went to St. Louis to the Arch. We went to the museum. The regular part was closed still in St. Louis, Missouri. And we went to and did a little boat cruise on the Tom Sawyer boat. So, and this is very like thick and sturdy, and it has that nose pinch piece. That is really nice. Wow. Look at this. It has this little piece that shortens or lengthens that around your ear. That is too cool. Thank you, Kong Box. Alright. It even has instructions. That is so cool. Alright, so this is Kong Box Cares. We send our best wishes to you, your family, and your pups in support of the health and well-being of all. As an added thank you gesture, we are passing along face masks to be used as we get back to work or to share with frontline workers who deserve our deepest appreciation on this unprecedented journey together. All right. So, again, thank you, Combox. This is too cool. All right. And then we have a training tip. Chewing tips. Because I did get the chewing box for my pup because he just loves to chew on his toys. We've done really good about keeping him from chewing on furniture or anything. He's had one accident where he chewed on one of my shoes. We stopped that. I think he kind of does this thing where he's looking at you and he'll put his teeth on the side of my little table and he'll look at you like, and then, and wait to see what your response is. But other than that, he's doing really good. This is a summer picnic recipe. I don't know if you guys can see, but he is ready. No, baby! He's trying to take the little fuzzies. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into this before he goes crazy. And oh my gosh, guys, this box looks full. Okay, so first we have, what do you smell? It's a Kong Marathon, one large dog treat insert, convenient mess-free treat. This is what it looks like. Okay. Ooh, and then we have the classic Kong. Yes, I'm so excited. I was really hoping, I'll just show you. Here's the classic Kong. He already has two of these, so I knew when I got this box that he would love it. You want that, baby? You want that, baby? Yeah, you do. Okay. And then next, what I'm really excited for, because I don't have this one yet, is the bone. I have I have the black regular Kong, and then I have the classic, so now I have two classics, and now I have this big bone. And look how twisty that is. But he loves chewing on these, and it's actually something that he hasn't torn to pieces. Also, like, this thing was like $2 at Petco, and surprisingly, it's not tore up. It's something to do with these little these little rubbery spikes, I think. He has trouble keeping a hold of it when we play with it, but he loves it. Anyways, so these are Kong Bites. Natural, ideal for anytime treating. Small and handy for bite-sized rewards. It says it fits your Kong treat dispensers. And yeah. Okay, so these are to put inside that classic Kong. And then, I love these. They're so cute. I bought one on Chewy. See, I bought these things on Chewy, and then I realized how much my pup loves them. And so I had to get, he's running away now. I had to get the Kong box. And I haven't tried this toy out with him yet because I have so many toys out, but I'm really excited for these. They're so cute. And they have, the cool thing is that their rope on the inside, it does have a squeaker. You like it? Yeah. Yeah, he wants it. But, it's rope on the inside, so once he tears it up, I mean, there's rope for him to chew on. And then, alright, and then the last item is, let's see, ooh, the sweet potato spread. This one costs more than the peanut butter on Chewy. The peanut butter one is like $3 something, and this one's like $5 something, so I'm glad I got this in the box. So, I'm so excited to try this, guys. Well, I'm excited to play with my dog with him. He's excited too. And I just love it. This is a $39 box. If you get it monthly, about $35 if you get it 6-month subscription, and then it's like $29.99 if you get a yearly subscription. I did the 6-month one. You still pay monthly, but you have committed to 6 months. And when you do that for the 6 months and the 12 months, then you get your first box free. So technically, I donated $1 and got this box for free. And so this is really awesome, and I'm so excited to try these. What do you guys think about Kong? Have you bought toys from Kong? This is pretty interesting. Like, this is this weird treat. It goes in the top of the Kong. I don't know if you can see that. But anyways, I'm excited to try these. But thanks for watching. I hope this helped you guys see what comes in the box. I'm excited for my next one. Talk to you later. Bye.